The human passion for wood began with a single touch. Over centuries, that passion was shaped, defined by a desire to unite strength with intelligence. Technology became the answer to this age-old pursuit, transforming every touch into one of incredible precision. Every cut flawlessly exact. Today, that legacy lives on, in the DNA of Elite Woodworking Machinery. Inspired by tradition, driven by technology, delivering precision that perfects every detail, and efficiency that adds value to every project. At Elite Woodworking Machinery, we're building a future where ideas become reality. Because in this industry, we don't just follow the future, we lead it. Contact our team today. We'd be delighted to help you with your next investment.